Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Summertime and it is time for our mangoes also which have started appearing in the market, and we make different kinds of pickles. So today I am starting our pickle season with favorite Mangai Thokku. Try this absolutely mouth-watering Mangai Thokku or raw mango Thokku as an accompaniment to your lunch or even breakfast recipes. Wash and wipe dry the mango with a cloth. Now I have peeled it. Just cut it into half so that you can remove the seed. Now we will grate all these mangoes. See, the mango has been grated finely. Now I will measure it out. I got 4 cups of grated mango, because if I tell you the mango number, it will vary depending on the size. So you measure the gratings with the cup. And the quantity of chilli powder and salt also will vary slightly depending on the sourness of the mango. First, in a pan, take 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, and we'll dry roast them. Dry roast it over a low flame. The methi should not burn, it should only be well roasted and become a dark brown color. See, the mustard is also spluttering, the methi has also been well roasted. Now remove it onto a plate. When it comes to room temperature, we can make a powder. First, heat 1 tablespoon of til oil, that is sesame oil. For pickles, that is always best. And this is Crystal Hing, GPC brand, we get it, I'll give you the link. First we'll fry this hing in the oil. See, the hing should be roasted well in the oil like this. Remove it out. This will give a lovely flavor to your pickle. We can make this also into a powder along with the mustard and methi. Now take about 1/4 cup of til oil. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add haldi powder. Add in the grated raw mango. Cook it all well together. Always see that your kadai, your spatula or spoon, whatever you are using, everything should be dry. Any moisture will affect the shelf life of the pickle. Now allow it to cook till the mango becomes soft and well cooked. I am adding a tablespoon of salt now. Mix that also. This mango thokku is a great accompaniment for all dishes, be it curd rice, chapati, dosa, idli, anything. So whenever mango season comes, the first thing we make is this thokku. If you keep it in the fridge, it will stay good for up to 3 months also. See, the mango has become nice and soft. It is well cooked. At this stage, we can add in the chilli powder. This is a very special brand which we get during mango season and we use for our pickles. This is the 3 mango mirchi powder. So I always use that, you get a good color and taste too. I am adding 1 tablespoon. Mix it all well together. This is the mustard, methi and the hing which we have powdered. Add all of it. Again, give it a good mix. See, now it is coming together in one mass like this. It has cooked well, all the masalas have been mixed into it. Now finally I am adding in half a cup of til oil. See, pickles are, we have only the natural preservatives of oil and salt. We are not adding any other chemical preservative. That is why we need to add this quantity of oil so that it remains good without spoiling for a longer time. Let it continue cooking for another 4 to 5 minutes more till the oil starts oozing out from the sides like this. Then we can switch it off. I will switch it off now. Now you can taste it and see, because the sourness of the mango will vary. So if at all you need, you can add a wee bit more of salt or chili powder to suit your taste. I will just leave it like this, let it come down completely to room temperature. Then we can store it in a clean dry glass jar and keep it. I left the mango thokku to cool down completely. Now you can see how it has released the extra oil also, and the thokku is now ready to be packed into our bottles. So use clean dry glass jars and we can fill it in that and store. Our absolutely delicious and mouth-watering tangy Mangai Thokku pickle is now ready. Enjoy this Mangai Thokku with curd rice, sambar rice, dosa, idli, chapatis, or even spread it on a slice of bread. Enjoy it as a sandwich. Very tasty, simple and easy to make. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.